Yes, yes, yes. Another video right now. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffee. It's time never to beat around the bush, but go straight to the point. It's time to take the bull by the horns. And this is what I'm doing right now. Right. So I want to share my other experience in Bulawayo. My other experience in the city of Bulawayo, in the town of Bulawayo. Yo, I was not happy. My first impression about Bulawayo, I was not happy. I was not happy at all. I wonder what happens in the Bulawayo CBD or Bulawayo town or Bulawayo city. A lot of dust everywhere. In every street, you see a lot of dust everywhere. I don't know, people in Matebeleland, maybe you can talk to me. What's really the problem with the city of Bulawayo? And a lot of dust everywhere, everywhere, in every street, smaller street or bigger street. You see a lot of dust. I was not impressed at all. I was not happy to see a lot of dust in a city, in a town. It was so surprising or shocking to me. So people in Bulawayo, please, you can talk to me. Ndebele people, you can talk to me. What's the problem with your city, with your town, Bulawayo, your CBD? Why a lot of dust? Why a lot of dust? Dust everywhere, smelling dust everywhere. In any street, smaller or bigger street, you see a lot of dust. I don't know and I don't understand. So talk to me in the comment section. What's really wrong? What's the problem with your city, Bulawayo? Why dust? Why? This is my problem. This is my big problem. Sometimes I had to cover my nose using my hands. To cover my nose using my hands because the dust was too much. When I was going to maybe to Spa to do my shopping, or when I was going around the city of Bulawayo or the town of Bulawayo, just seeing the city or maybe shopping, I had to cover my nose with my hands because the dust was too much. Dust everywhere. Dust everywhere. I'm repeating so that you understand what I'm saying. So my only problem was dust in your city. I was not impressed. I was not happy. I was not excited. Ndebele people talk to me. Is it because of the condition of the roads? What causes dust in your city, in your town? Why a lot of dust in Bulawayo? Please talk to me. Is it because of the condition of the roads, or just the geography of the area? Geography of the area, or maybe the natural environment prevailing within Bulawayo? What caused that dust in your town? That dust in your city? Geography, or natural environment, or the condition of the roads, the state or the condition of the roads? What the problem? Why dust in your city? Why dust in your town? Why dust in your CBD, Central Business District in Bulawayo? I've never seen that dust in any city in South Africa, wherever I went to or traveled to, whether it's Johannesburg or Pretoria or East London or Bloemfontein or Polokwane or Messina. Even in this Harare, the capital city Harare, you don't see that dust. Even in some of the towns in Zimbabwe, some of the cities in Zimbabwe, you don't see that dust. Masvingo or Bindura, you don't see that dust. Even Gweru, you don't see that dust. Kadoma Kwekwe, you don't see that dust. You don't see it. Why only Bulawayo? I'm very touched. I'm very concerned. Sometimes it was hard for me to breathe in Bulawayo. My nose were blocking. My nose were being troubled, were blocking because of the dust. What's the problem? What's wrong with your town? Like I said before, is it the geography of the area? Is it the condition of the roads, state of the roads? Or is that the natural environment of Matebeleland? What's the problem? I was not happy. I was not impressed. So this is my impression about my first time in Bulawayo. This is my impression in the city of Bulawayo. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. It's free to subscribe. It's free to like. It's free to share. It's free to comment. I'm done talking. See you in the next video. I'm signing out. Sharp.